When you are learning PHP and start working on some project, you need to know after some time the function that you write, how it works, and why did you write that function in the project. That time comments in code are really helpful. It helps you easily mark code in a single line why you use that function in code, and also helps another developer that works with you to understand your code easily. However, you might know about comments. Comment code does not run like the rest of your code, but it does make your file much easier to work with. Comments in PHP help organize and explain a part of your code that might not be clear to another developer reading it for the first time, or to you after some time away from your code. So let's begin to learn comments, and yes, welcome to today's video about comments in PHP. What are PHP comments? In PHP, comments are sections of a code that are not executed when a program is run. End user do not see PHP comments. PHP comments are usually meant to help programmers understand the PHP. Let's understand with the example. You write a code or a function in a project and you are away from your code for a month or even for a year. You forget why you write that function in a project. In this case, comments help you quickly understand your code and make changes it. Also, it helps other teammates to understand your code easily. Additionally, PHP comments can be used to temporarily deactivate particular section of code for debugging purposes. Say you discover an error originating somewhere in your PHP file. You can comment out part of that code, rerun the program, and see if the error still occurs. This is much easier and safer than deleting lines of code when debugging. PHP has two built-in ways of commenting: single line comments and multi-line comments. Single line PHP comments are usually for short notes before a code block or for explaining a single line of code. To leave a single line comment, type 2 forward slashes followed by your comment text. All text to the right of the forward slashes will be ignored. You can also use a hash symbol instead of 2 forward slashes to make a single line comments. Single line comment example, you can write as you see on the screen, double forward slash, this is a comment in a code, or you can write hash. Also you can write a comment like this, or write a variable equal to hi echo print variable and comment second part of the code. Now multiple line PHP comments. PHP also allow for comments that span multiple lines. In case you want to comment out a large section of a code or leave a more descriptive comments. Start your multiple line comments by writing forward slash star and end it by writing star forward slash. In multiple lines, you have to start comment and also you need to end that comment. Let's see in example. When you start the multi-line comment, start with forward slash star. This is a multi-line comment not shown to end user, and end using star and forward slash. Now the keyword shortcut for PHP comments. When you are working on a project, most of the time you use the keyboard to speed up the work. Always use the keyboard shortcut for coding that is simple and makes you speed up a little in your work. On the keywords, you can use Ctrl plus forward slash. In VS Code or Sublime editor, select the code that you want to comment and press the Ctrl plus forward slash to comment on the selected code. Now, where to use the comments? Where you are explaining the code in a few words, use a single line comments. And if you want to comment on a large part of your code or explain code in a detail, use multi-line comments. In beginning, it feels like a waste of time to comment on a function to explain it, but when you open old project or work with a large team, that time comments are the things that you appreciated. They shall save you and others a lots of time trying to figure things out. I hope you understand the comment part of the PHP. That's it for today. Thank you guys and keep supporting. Bye bye.